If you're a fan of style, speed, and swagger, you simply cannot go wrong with the legendary Corvette. One of the icons that practically defined the golden age of Detroit, Chevy's beloved sports car has become some of the best-selling muscle of all time. Not surprisingly, demand for these cornerstone classics continues to be strong. A fully sorted second-generation superstar, this 1964 Stingray is a fully restored showstopper. With buff performance, seductive curves, and slick silver blue on black aesthetics, it's the perfect turnkey collector car for anyone who enjoys the hobby to its fullest. If you're looking for an impressive set of wheels that'll roll straight out of the showroom and right into the fast lane, this is your next classic. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.